Everybody, today's experiment is using a plastic bag, which I think everybody has, a large Ziploc that I just found out. You could use a balloon if you have one, but I don't have a balloon. So I have either a large Ziploc for this, and I also have this piece of styrofoam that I got from my garage, and then I just taped it into a cylinder. The reason I chose it is because it collects static electricity very well. So you could test anything you have around your house that will collect static electricity. So let's get started. Forgot to say scissors. You also need scissors. So I'm just gonna put these two things out of the way. First, what you're gonna do is you're gonna cut the bottom off of your bag all the way across. Get rid of that. And what you want is a nice wide strip of plastic bag. So it's nice and wide, and it's a whole circle. Now, this is kind of a big circle, so to make it a little bit easier, I cut a little bit off my circle and then glue it together with something. Tape would probably be too heavy, so I'm just going to use some super glue. If you don't have super glue, you could also use just regular glue, but then you'd have to wait for it to set a little bit longer. So you probably have to wait, about 10 or 15 minutes before the glue is set strong enough, because you're going to be rubbing this circle on your head. So you probably get frustrated by the circle falling apart if you didn't wait long enough for this glue to set. Okay, so now you're gonna have to do a little bit of working with this, but I'll take my Ziploc bag and I'll rub it on my head. That's part of the reason my hair is so messy. Rub it on my head, and then I'll take this circle and I'll rub that on my head. And then it sticks to your hand like it's got glue on it, but it's not. It's static electricity. And now I'll float my circle. Now, like I said, it takes a little bit of practice. Oh, I better get back in the camera here. There we go. It takes a little bit of practice, but you can float your circle like magic. Now here's the foam thing that I was showing you, and it works as well. But I'm actually quite happy with how that Ziploc bag works.
Static electricity works a lot like magnetism. So what you're doing is you're charging the circle and the bag with the same charge, and like charges repel.